Hello, hi, and you are welcome once again to another interesting video, friends. In today's video, I am going to share with you something interesting. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my own experience whenever I try to speak something in English. What kind of challenges do I face? And also in this video, we will discuss how to overcome all those challenges. This video is especially for those who are beginner of learning English. Especially for village boy, those who are learning English by staying in village, because I am a village boy and I learn English by staying in my village. In village mostly we don't get that kind of environment. By staying where we can learn English very fluently. Whenever we try to speak something in English, we are making mistakes, and those mistakes are putting us down. So fear of making mistakes are the biggest enemy, the biggest challenges for us. So we need to overcome all those challenges. But how? We don't know how to overcome all those challenges. It can be only possible by practicing every day, because practice makes man perfect. As I am a village boy and I fear to make mistakes. I am afraid of making mistakes. But whenever I try to speak something in English, I get confused. I know the word, but when it's time to speak something in English, I don't get word in my mind. I get confused and nervous. So once I try to speak something in English in front of the public, but due to lack of practice, I get failed, and later I feel ashamed, and thought I would never try this kind of things in future. But anyway, some of my friends motivated me. They told me mistakes are the part of your journey. You can't achieve your goal without making mistakes. So I take them seriously and try to learn it very fluently, very thoroughly. Now you can see right now I'm in a jungle. Everything is around me with natural beauty. I'm surrounded by natural beauty. You can see right now everything is green, and woods, several trees around me you can see. When I was a beginner, I started with making small and short sentences in English. I started memorizing small and short words in English. Then accumulating with all those words, I started making some sentences in English. Even though I made so many times mistakes, but I didn't give up. I kept trying. But now you can see I am speaking something a little bit fluently than previous. You can observe me now. I am speaking something fluently than previous video. Even though I have no confidence in my eyes, whenever I try to speak something in front of the public or in front of anybody whom I am afraid of to speak, I have no confidence in my eyes. Now you can see I have also no confidence in my eyes. But with the less confidence, I try to speak, I try to learn, I try to make video, and with hoping one day will come where I could speak very fluently in English. In my village, there are some students who wants to speak very fluently in English, but due to lack of proper guidance, they are not able to speak English very fluently. Even after going to school for more than 10 years, they are not able to speak English very fluently. Because after leaving the school, they don't practice in their home or with their friends or with their family members. They talk to their relatives in their regional language. That's why they are not able to speak very fluently in English. In city, if we look at the city students, those who are staying and studying by staying in cities, they are speaking very fluently even after going to school for 1 or 2 years, because they are properly trained in the school. When they come to home, their parents talk with them in English language. Most of their friends talk to them in English language. That's why they are speaking very fluently in English. And in village people, we are not talking to each other in English language. Mostly we are talking to each other in our regional language. That's why we are not able to learn English very fluently. But I promised to them, that one day I will start my own coaching in my village, coaching center or in my village, and I will teach them in my village, and I will make them be fluent in English in my village kids, in my village. So in life everyone should dream big, because dreams are free, but your dreams will become true, will become a reality when you work for it. Try to make your potential into reality. But it's how it is possible. With hard work and determination, we can make our potential into reality. Most of the people are only dreaming. They are not doing anything for their goal. They are only dreaming. To overcome our fear of making mistakes. So friends, keep practicing and take care.